back to the 2018 Crochet Along, where we bring you one granny square every day for 365 days. Today is day number 76, and this is called the Crochet Clover. And if I can remember correctly, I believe this was a Pico's website crocheted square. So anyway, what we've done is we've just added an extra row to get it to our size liking, and this is what we'll be doing. So we'll be making our clover first, and then we'll be working into the back of it, forming their square behind the clover, and then working our square up. It's a simple, easy square, easy to follow along. Essentially, we're just doing double crochets all the way around in every stitch, and then working our corners, one double crochet, chain two, one double crochet, and then repeating every round, increasing obviously. And then we finish off with a single crochet row. I worked mine in the back loop. It is not in pattern to do that, but I did that because my blankets will be donated to a local nursing home in desperate need of blankets. So just wanted to give it a little bit of flavor for the blankets. Anyway, you're going to use two colors. You can use as many as you wish. Today's tutorial will be two colors. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, and begin with a chain 4, join into the first chain to form a circle, or begin with a magic circle. It's up to you, your choice. Chain 3. This does not count as a double crochet or anything. This is just part of the clover. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to work 3 treble crochets into your circle. So wrap your yarn twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2. There we go. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. 2 more times. Work your treble crochets into your circle. And I'm having a hard time getting my yarn to slide off of my hook. There we go. Okay. Chain 3. And then you'll slip stitch into your circle to make your first petal of your clover. Okay. Chain 3. 3 treble crochets into your circle. Pull through 2, pull through 2, again, another treble, and one more treble. Okay, chain 3. Join with a slip stitch into the ring. Okay, repeat this 2 more times. Chain 3, 3 trebles, chain 3, slip stitch into ring, chain 3, 3 trebles, chain 3, slip stitch into ring. And when you have 2 more petals, you should have a total of 4 petals. When I do have that, we will begin round 2. At the end of this round, you should have 12 treble crochets and 8 chain 3s. All right. Okay, so I finished round 1. You should have 12 trebles and 8 chain 3 spaces. And now we're going to work behind our work. Very simple, very easy. What we're going to do is chain 5. Oops, there's my loop. So chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to join, move over to the side here, and you're going to join with a slip stitch into the slip stitch of the previous round. So you're going to probably have to wiggle your hook into it. Luckily, I did not have to, thank goodness. And just complete your slip stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move over to the next space and join with a slip stitch into the slip stitch of the previous round. Try to work my tail in a little bit. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And into the slip stitch, make a slip stitch. And then you will chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then complete with a join into your slip stitch here. And again, like I said, you may have to wiggle your hook in to get that to come out. And now you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you will cut your yarn. And then you're going to join with a new color into the chain 5 space back here. So grab your new color and we'll begin. Okay, so still working in behind the back of your crochet clover here, you're going to join with a slip stitch and chain 3 or do a standing double crochet, working into any chain 5 space first. And then you're going to work 3 more double crochets into the same space. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to chain 2 to form your corner. And then you're going to work 4 more double crochet into the same chain 5 space. If I'm going too fast for you, feel free to slow it down. To do so is up in the upper right hand corner, the option to do that. Then into the next chain 5 space, you're going to work 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet, all into this chain 5 space. So there's 2, 3, make sure, and 4, chain 2, and then 4 more double crochet into the same chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the next chain 5 space, 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet, and you'll repeat this sequence one more time after this space. You will join with a slip stitch into your beginning double crochet or chain 3, and when I've completed that, I will get right back with you. Okay, so round 4, make sure that your chain 4 that you did off of your clover you keep to the front of your work, because that's your clover tail there. Okay, so you should have worked 32 double crochets all around. Make sure to count. If you need a pause to count, please feel free to do so. Now you're going to chain 3 or do a chainless double crochet, whatever your preference is. And then you're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then in your corner, you're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Work 1 double crochet into the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then in your corner you're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Okay, now work 1 double crochet in the next 8 stitches, then work your corner, 1 double crochet in the next 8, work your corner, and then you're going to finish off with 1 double crochet into the last, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. Join with a slip stitch into your beginning chain 3 or chainless double crochet. Whichever you did. You should have 48 double crochets all the way around. I'm sorry, you should have 40 double crochets all the way around when you have completed round number 4. When I have done this, I will get right back with you and we will begin round number 5. All right, so this is what it's looking like now. We're going to begin round number 5. You can chain 3 or you can do a chainless double crochet, whatever your preference may be. And then you're going to work 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Work your corner, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. And then work 1 double crochet into the next 10 stitches. And you're going to repeat this all the way around. Work your corners, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next 10 stitches along each side. And then at the very end, you're going to work 1 double crochet into the last 5 stitches, join with the slip stitch into the beginning of your chain 3 or chainless double crochet, whichever you chose to do. At the end of your round, you should have 48 double crochets. When I've completed this, I will get back with you for round number 6. Okay, round 6. Now you're going to repeat everything that we've just done, obviously taking into effect that your stitch count will increase, so you can chain 3 or do a chainless double crochet, whichever you prefer. And then you're going to work 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches. And then you'll work your corners, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. And then you'll be working along the sides, and you will have 12 stitches on each side. Okay, so work your corner, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the next 12 stitches. When you get back to your beginning, you will work 1 double crochet in the last 6 stitches, join with a slip stitch into the beginning double crochet, and then we will begin round number 7 when I have completed this, and you should have 56 double crochet worked by the time you get back to your beginning. Make sure to count so your stitch count is correct. 56 is the amount of double crochets you should have. Okay, so for round 7, if your square is not the size that you want it to be, or it's not the recommended size that we suggest, which is 6 inches, then you'll chain 1 and put a single crochet into the same stitch. And then you will work 1 single crochet in every stitch around, working 3 single crochets into your corner. When you've done that, you will join with a slip stitch into your beginning single crochet, and your square should be the size that we recommend at that point, if it's not already. So if you guys have not yet liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the box down there. And yeah, until next time, everybody, happy hooking.